Okay, I finally got the chicken coop door built. I just used some 1x and some 2x2s, or yeah, they're 1x1 and 2x2s with some chicken wire, and made out some corners, and I still got to come up with a locking mechanism, but it came out better than I thought it was going to be. I'm not exactly sure what a chicken door is supposed to look like, but I think that'll get it done. I still got to come up with a locking mechanism. I've just got a screw right here to where I can wrap the wire around when we're in here, and I think it worked out okay. Got to move my rock over there a little bit, so I've got a gap right here, but that rock will move over, and I've still got to dig it down and get it where it belongs, but that'll take care of that gap down there on the bottom, which is what I was hoping for. And then we'll continue the rock path up to the chicken coop right there where Nikki's sitting, playing with the chickens. So, got a whole nother layer of chicken wire to go around the top. I've got chicken wire up to here. I still got to take it all the way up to the top, and because there's so many hawks around here, we're going to have to go over and create a barrier and keep the hawks from coming down and swooping down and picking off the little chickens. But I know hawks got to eat, but they don't need to eat chickens. There's plenty of other stuff out here for them to eat. But they're enjoying scratching. These little guys have gotten out here and they've just decided to dig into soft dirt and take their dirt baths. But they're adjusting well. Anything to say about the chickens?
They're super peaceful.
Yeah, she likes watching them, almost like watching fish in an aquarium. They just kind of have their own little personalities and do their own little things.
4 have names now.
Which ones? I'm not aware of the names.
This is Blue.
Blue?
Blue is very vocal. She's a Banty. She's the oldest, one of the oldest of the bunch. We named the rooster Hawk.
Yeah, because he looks like a hawk.
He's right here to my left.
Yeah, he looks like a little hawk.
Hey, Hawk. This one right here I call Mini-Me because she's the one who comes to me. So she hangs around me. So that's Mini-Me. And then one of the reds I call Braveheart.
Yeah, that's the one that isn't afraid of anybody or anything.
No, I think it's one of these two, but I'm not sure which one.
But yeah, they're just nasty little chickens right now.
See, Blue looks different than any of them.
They haven't come into their full adulthood yet, but it's coming. So we're just trying to make them as comfortable and as safe so they can create tasty meat and tasty eggs, so that we have food. Say bye, chickens. So I need to build the go ahead and start putting in the window, and didn't know how big we were going to go initially, until we went window shopping, and we did find a 24 by 24 window that we're going to put in here into the coop. These little guys are excited about it. They'll get daylight. But gonna go ahead and work on, got it marked out, my 24-inch mark here to down here, so I got to cut that stud out and move it over this way and cut out my 24-inch hole inside of the chicken coop so far. Got the nesting boxes there. Started to put up some insulation there because it gets cold. At the same time, it gets hot. So trying to just create a little bit of balance there between the cold and heat, and you got to be real particular about the type of insulation that you use, because the chickens will peck at it, and if it's fiberglass or foam or anything like that, they will destroy it. We've got the roost. There is a fourth rung that's going to go up there, but we built the roost out of just some pine branches that were here on the property. Got them bound together with baling wire, and but there is a fourth rung that is going to go across here that we haven't gotten up yet. Looking for the perfect piece of wood, but they've already started using it. Got the gate built yesterday. I did put the gate in, but we still have another layer of chicken wire to go outside the coop, around the entire perimeter. But we're still working on that. And then the rock walkway, we've still got to finish that up. So chicken coop is coming along together pretty good. Got to get this window put in. But these guys are really enjoying their home. We've got 5 more in the brooding box where they're still under the lamp, and once they're big enough to come out here and join these guys, they'll be joining these guys. But projects ongoing. Window will be in next, and I think the only thing we'll have to do after that is put locking mechanism on the door. We've got a 2x4 here that we use to lock the door, and locking mechanism on the deck on the gate there. So almost there, almost done. Okay. All right, update. Got the window put in. Chickens are all running around being idiots. Nikki made them a dirt bath ring here so that they can
Fill it up.
take dirt baths, or they can have a campfire if they decide to. But the good part is the window's in. It wasn't exactly designed for this structure, but I made it work. I'm pretty good at rigging stuff up to make it work, but I used the wood that I had. I didn't have the exact size wood that I needed. I needed a couple of 1x and a couple of maybe a 1x2 would have made it easier, but it went in. It was successful. Now we can open and close the window. But last thing left is rock pathway, and waiting on more chicken wire to get more chicken wire so that we can cover the top and the other 36 inches that needs to go to the top of those poles, but they're not big enough for that yet. So locking mechanism for the door still needs to be done. Locking mechanism for the coop door needs to be done. And other than that, I would say we're probably 99.92%, yeah, 98.2% done. So a couple of little odds and ends, but we'll keep you updated. So what exactly are you doing here?
Chickens like to clean themselves. It's healthy, so they take dust baths, although it keeps them entertained as well, but that's how they clean themselves. It keeps them free from lice. So setting a separate space for them will do a couple of things. It'll provide them with a bathtub, so to speak, although they'll still dust bath everywhere else, but they will have a special place that is full of softer, cleaner dirt and wood ash. And one other ingredient I could add if I chose would be diatomaceous earth, food grade, but I'm not going to do that because there's some mixed, I will say mixed comments or mixed advice on diatomaceous earth. I mean, food grade, yes, we can eat that, but a lot of times people will just get garden diatomaceous earth. And diatomaceous earth is basically, I'm going to equate it to glass, really. It helps kill bugs, lice, things like that. But I'm not going to do that to the chicks. I'm going to make them a bath of wood ash and softer dirt, and they'll have a space to get in, roll around and play, clean themselves, and they will be very happy chickens. So they're not just always pecking. They can enjoy taking a bath, just like we enjoy taking a bath and getting clean. They can enjoy activity. It's almost like swimming to them. So that's what this is all about. Wood ash, some soft dirt, and we've got a little bathtub for the chicks. I got to get a little bit more dirt and we'll be full.